Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine. Today I'm drawing a caterpillar with my crayons and my pencil. Let's get started. Today I'm drawing a big caterpillar. Now let's make it. I need a big head and a big another 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 head. Now we're going to draw the legs. So beautifully. That's the little piece. And the up way. Nicely, little girl. Clocking on bolt, draw circles on the bell. Like a little diamond too. Like a little lantern too. Smile. Do me some lips. And this is the caterpillar. What to draw? Now, this is the caterpillar to draw. This is the caterpillar to draw. This is the caterpillar to draw. So we are going to draw a rainbow tree. Up with some grasses, grass. Nope, I don't know how to write grass. And just a normal. Now we'll color it. I need some green grass. I'm gonna draw a rainbow tree. And then can be beautiful. The caterpillar makes it different colors. That's why I'm gonna make it different colors. I always need to go this way around and almost be still. And draw the middle line of this. So based on the wrist. To always be quick, see. Caterpillar doesn't make it any colors to the tree because it gets worse. Because it's bad. The caterpillar doesn't make it so many colors, but it is bad colors. So a little bit orange, a little bit purple, then the red one will make a red. We need a little bit more red. Okay, it's okay. We need some little bit blue for our magic tree. She will like the eating. It's all made of vegetables. See the colors are rainbow. Now we are gonna put color any colors to the downlight. Then she will think that's colorful, but it was just colorful because there was so much long. Because so when you draw it to a different color, we need so many colors and draw like this. You can just draw. I'm drawing Elnice. I need red. While. Not that while. Drawing with a pencil is gonna take a while. Not with a crayon. Not color I'll draw now. Orange. Little bit of orange. Then we can have space for the green. Little people. Yeah. Now we're gonna draw the caterpillar of the little funniness. La 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 la. Now we're gonna draw the green. Also worse. Green crayon. Now I'm gonna draw the caterpillar. And purple. Ooh, so hard to draw it. My hands is paining. Ooh. I am a kid. I can draw a caterpillar super big with like a rainbow tree. This little kid. La 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 la. See? That's how you draw a caterpillar. You can draw it so lovelier too. Draw it anyway. Like me, or just like somebody else. You can just draw it any way you want. And I'm making my own way. That's why I know my own. Just covered in your hand, do this. Now, we're going to draw all red. Red and red and red. You don't know how it's going to be this, but yet. We need the head with 100 colors. For the eyes, little bit pink at the side. Not in the blacks. Dark pink. Little bit of dark pink. Blue. All finished. Okay, my caterpillar is done. Look at my caterpillar properly. And my tree. And I hope you like it.